Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change themes used on your Opera GX. Now, I want to change the theme I'm using right now. All I have to do is, you look at the sidebar here, make sure the gear icon is showing. If it is not showing, click on the three dots at the bottom here, and then under Opera Tools, you see settings, make sure it is turned on. And the next thing you'll do is click on the gear icon to open up your settings, and then you scroll down here by the right side on the basic, you can see themes. So you click on, you want to change the theme now, so you click on theme gallery, and then you have your options. We have the light mode, the dark mode, and we have all modes. So let's say I want to use the dark mode. I'm already using the dark mode, which is the Aurora, but I can still use it like this. Look at it, available in dark mode. Then make sure you want to be animated. But don't forget that animated wallpapers can affect the system performance, so disable it if you don't want your system to feel too slow. So I don't want it to feel slow. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on set theme, and it's as simple as that. The theme has changed. You can see I'm using the Aurora theme before I was using the classic theme. Now if I want to change the wallpaper for the Aurora, I can also change the wallpaper by clicking on OK. This currently selected theme has built-in wallpaper, so I cannot change the wallpaper. I can only configure the theme. That's all. So it has built-in wallpaper, so I cannot change it. So, and to configure the theme simply means this part to make it animated or to not make it animated, and then to set your theme. It's as simple as that. Let's see what the wallpaper looks like. So let's cancel this and go to the home page. This is my workspace. I don't see anything special about the wallpaper. There's nothing there. But it seems maybe I don't need to restart or reload. Let's see. Still the same. So that's for Aurora anyway. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Yes.